Welcome to my channel, guys. On this video I am going to show you how you can use your Opay cashback or your Opay voucher from the Opay app directly. So before I proceed, I would like you to please like this video and subscribe to my channel, because when you subscribe to my channel you will get other interesting facts, other interesting tips too that can help you. So let's proceed. To start, kindly log into your Opay account. So now that we are on the Opay app, we are going to check how you can use your Opay voucher and Opay cashback. Before I start, I would like to let you know that these two are kind of the same thing. You gain them by completing one or two tasks. You gain them by completing tasks on Opay. So now to check your cashbacks and your voucher, all you have to do is to click reward at the bottom of the app. Now as you can see, I clicked reward and the cashback and the voucher symbol are there already. Now from the cashback side, you will see that I have 121 naira, and on the voucher side it is 0. This means that I still have something on my cashback and the voucher is 0 because I've used them. But I'll show you how you can use yours too. So let's get back to the home section because we've already seen that. Now to use this cashback, remember that you cannot withdraw your cashback or your voucher. You can only use them to buy airtime, data, pay for betting, and other payments method. So let's kindly buy airtime with this cashback. Now I am going to buy 50 naira airtime. 50 naira airtime. Now instead of using my direct money from my wallet, my Opay wallet, I am going to use my cashback instead. Cashback is free. You gain them when you perform one or two tasks. Like now, as I am buying this 15 naira, as I'm buying this 15 naira airtime, I'll be getting 1 naira cashback. So anything you do on this app, you earn cashback. So this cashback is literally free. So now I want to purchase 15 naira. What I will do is that instead of clicking confirm, I will just click on the cashback toggle. So I'll just click like this. You see, now I am supposed to pay 15 naira before, but because I want to use my cashback, I'll be paying 0 naira. That means I will not pay anything, but 15 naira will still be transferred to my mobile network. So that is how you use it. So let's make another example. Let's do another example. Okay, let's cancel this one. So let's say I want to buy 200 naira airtime from my account, from my Opay account. So let's try it. Now I am to buy 200 naira airtime on my MTN number, and I don't want to pay for all of it. I already have 121 cashback. What I will do is that I will click on the cashback toggle to show that it's the cashback that I want to use. So I click cashback toggle. Now I clicked it. As you can see from the top, you find out that instead of me to pay 200 naira for 200 naira airtime, I will be paying 79 naira instead, whereby 129 naira have been deducted from the 200. So what they will not take from me is 79 naira from my account instead of 200 naira. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is how you use your cashback, and you also do similar. You also do a similar thing with voucher also. Assuming I had voucher, it will also appear here that telling me to use my voucher. So now after clicking this toggle, what you have to do is to click confirm, and that is how you use your cashback. You understand? So how can we use the voucher? Voucher is also similar. I've already used my voucher, but if you want to use your voucher, you do a similar thing also. You understand? What you just have to do is to click. If you want to buy airtime, you want to buy data. If you want to use, if you want to fund your betting accounts, you want to pay for electricity, and you have voucher, it is very simple to do. All you have to do is, if you have voucher, it will appear here. Then you will not toggle the, you will not click on the voucher that or the cashback. Then you will use it. After clicking on it, then you will not click confirm, and your payment will be processed. And that is how you use either your cashback or your voucher on Opay app. So it is very simple. And that is it for today. That is it. The video has come to an end. But before you close it, please kindly like this video and make sure you subscribe to this channel because more interesting tips are coming. So like this video please and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.